Today's adventure is I was driving around the streets and I found these great looking dragons. These guys had them in their front yard. That was such an interesting deal. I didn't even know I was going to see it until I couldn't believe it. Look at the dragons. Look at the detail on these dragons. They're so awesome. I'm glad you like these videos. I'd like to do more videos like this. It's just something very interesting that people would just have in their yard. I don't know. It's kind of not close to Halloween yet, so maybe they're getting ready for Halloween. I'm glad you guys like this channel. I'm going to do a lot of different kind of videos and maybe do some business videos on how to start your own business and startups. How's that sound? And entrepreneurships. So they said we can take pictures, and I got a few pictures of myself in front with the dragons. Didn't get distracted. There's a little baby chicken running across the street. I was trying to get a view. I guess it's not coming out. If you look to the left of the camera, you can see it. I went over to the house and we're looking for the little chicken. I guess that's his house. See, the chicken did cross the road. You didn't believe it. Why did the chicken cross the road? To get home. He's trying to get his food. Trying to feed his family. That's why he went home. Every chicken's got to eat. All he does is squawk and go, quack, quack. Chickens.
There's a rooster right there.
I see he was coming home, but he's not chicken dinner. And don't tell him about KFC. See him walking in front of the house? He's not.
Yeah, but I can't go on their property.
That's not his house, KFC. Okay.
Look, there he is.
So I wanted to see. Can you see the little chicken walking across? I was trying to get good zooming, but it didn't come out very well.
Look, Dylan.
And he's running around. See him right there in front of the house? I think he's waiting for his mom and chicken dad to come home. I don't know. I guess they've flown the coop is what I could say. Well, I guess this is a pet-friendly neighborhood, and they love chickens. I don't think they like to be called a chicken, but they do like the chickens. I am going to do some more videos for you. You'll love them, and they are going to be in good taste, like all my stuff. See, get some wild animals going. So the chickens, he's running around. He will not put. He is not standing still by any chance.
He's eating their flowers.
And just keep zooming around for him. Guys, what do you think of those dragons? Ain't that pretty crazy that somebody would put dragons in front of their house? I don't know. Maybe it's predetermined Halloween. I don't know. But here's some more pictures of the dragons that I got. Ain't that pretty cool? Look at I don't know if they built them or he was a kid who was shipped in there. But they're pretty friendly. They said you can take a picture with the dragon in front of the yard.
Red.
And we're driving around.
American.
I don't know. If you can see the name of the street, that's where it is. So if you guys want to go there and look at yourself, there's me in front of the dragons. Ain't that look good? I'm in front of the dragon's house. They said you can take pictures, so I took them up on the offer. I should have knocked on their door and said, thank you for letting me take the pictures. But it doesn't say I can't disturb. But give them their peace and quiet and be nice. But look at how cool they look. I wonder if they have those up all year round, or is it just certain times a month? Because I don't think they can easily be pushed down. It's Red Taylor Hawk.